Welcome to Rec
guys.
Room. For your first day, we have a quick orientation to show you what Rec Room is all about and give you a chance to get the hang of the controls.
Hello guys, we're playing Rec Room kung saan are yung ating ano. Ganun.
We have a special gift to commemorate your first day in Rec Room.
Bata pa. So, simulan na natin. Open the box. Siyempre, open. Kung ano nilaro ko din eh.
Your very own Rec Room watch. Think of your watch as a magic portal to all things Rec Room.
Di ka pwede sa
So what are you waiting for? Let's go check one out. Head inside to get started.
Started. Taga-England ang puta. Taga-England. Taga-England ang larong ari.
Rec Room is the best place to meet up with your friends and play games together.
Boy, alam ko. May nakasabay na naman
With a
ako.
friendly and growing global community,
Oh my
you'll
God.
always have others to enjoy your time with, no matter what you love to do.
Dati may naglalaro din.
Looking good.
Hi. So, let's play. Let's play. Hindi mag-chat. Hindi ko na. Exam time. Bawal mag-chat din eh. May nakasabay na naman ako. Katulad nun, may nakasabay ako. Mapait na ala-ala ko.
Alright, let's practice playing with some of the objects in the room. Give it a shot. That's it. Nice. How's your aim?
Hala! Maganda to. Di na naglalaro nun. Tanga.
Nice.
Basic naman to.
Up and over. That's it.
That's it. Wala na nag-ano din eh. May nag-ano din eh. Para may
Nice
nag-exercise.
shot.
Pero ngayon wala na. Bawal ka din mag-defend.
And that's the end of orientation. You're just about ready to start exploring those millions of player-made rooms.
Naman ako din eh. Ano namang laman? Tanga. Binasag. Hindi nagbasag. Dati may ano din eh. Any bro. So, Chris. Compete tayo. Mga PvP. Ano yung mga maganda? Prison Life. Nilaro ko to noon. Laser tag. Nila Prison Life. Siyempre naman. Ba naman si Kuya? Di ata papalaroin ni Kuya. May ganito ding Roblox guys. Maglaro kayo ng Garden Free Sunlight. Meron din yan sa Roblox. Tagal. Naka-stock pa to. Okay, ikots. Yo, ang bilis. Ganda. Bugs. May nambarel si Boy. May binarel si Boy. May garneding Roblox. Hindi niya lang alam. Tagal! Yan. Starting na. Starting na, boy. Excited. Ayun, excited ako. Parang hindi na. Yeah, garne yun, garne.
Pwede na, okay na.
Okay. So, di na title team. Gusto ko gold. Ang lags. Ari nga yun. Wait lang. Ay, ko. Uy! Lang. Ari nga yung nasa laro na Roblox. Oh God. Picture muna tayo. Aray ko. Roll out. Wala na patay. So guys, sana mag-enjoy ka kahit man sa ilan kasi bye. Sa akin lang ako.